In its very simplest form, the building code is there to protect us. If we're going to be in a building or around a building, we need to know that it's going to be safe, and that's what the building code is all about. Often the focus of discussion around what work can I do without a building consent implies that somehow there are no other rules. Well, in fact, there are. Building work needs to comply with the building code, even if you don't need a building consent. It may also need to comply with the Plumbers and Gas Fitters Act, with the Gas Act, with the Gas Safety and Measurements Regulation Act. There's also the Electricity Act, the Electricity Safety Regulation Act 2010. Oh, don't forget about the Fire and Emergency New Zealand Act 2007 and the Health and Safety Act and the Local Government Act. If you're trying to navigate your way through what can I do, what can't I do, when do you need a building consent, there's a really helpful tool online. It's called canibuildit.gov.nz. Describe your project and a flowchart will guide you through a process to determine whether or not you need a building consent. Canibuildit.gov.nz will also prompt you to consider other parts of the building code that you may need to comply with. It's a great tool.